Hello guys, welcome back to Kanatio Studios, and we are going to be playing this game. You might have remembered it from my first video where I cracked up by the name This means Bobby Liddarb. So, let's get right in. My friend Chase City Gaming is playing, and we are going to join him. And he is on a call with me right now. See? Say something.
Okay,
Whoa,
so,
we're on an airplane. I think it's going down. I think that...
wait, people are trying to shoot me from thin air.
Come on. We gotta get to the tower. Guys, we have to get to the tower. Wait, what am I shooting? Wait, who killed me? Well, guys, we won't let that stop us, right? Come on, this airplane is gonna crash.
Hey, Silas, let's go to the corner of,
Yeah, that's where I'm going right now. Come on, let's go. Hopefully, who keeps shooting me? Okay, new plan, we're gonna go to another sniper tower.
Oh, come on. I have to travel my way to another sniper tower?
Yeah, people just keep shooting us out of thin air. It's just rude.
Well, actually, I didn't get shot out of thin air.
Well, I have
No,
2 times. So I'm in another sniper tower now. So let's start aiming for someone.
I literally just followed your parachute, so I'm at your sniper tower right now.
Okay, let's go. Get your sniper out.
Okay.
Come on.
Which is literally the best gun in the game. Silas, I'm not tall enough. I need to go change my avatar, okay?
Okay. Join back when you have, okay? Make sure to be really tall like me, because I like really be tall. Okay, looks like somebody might be over there. So we better watch out.
Okay, I'm really, really tall now.
I see somebody.
Okay, I'm joining back to Bobby Lillard.
Or bazooka. Where'd he go?
Okay, so
Almost got him.
where are you, Silas?
At the sniper tower Okay, watch out.
Wait, do you see me, Silas? I have no idea where. Oh, I have no idea where you are, Silas. Great, Silas. I'm coming. Okay, Silas, I'm here.
Got somebody.
And look, I'm tall now. So I can actually shoot instead of shooting this.
I'm going to shoot over here.
Okay. I'm actually gonna go on the open world. I left one man.
Okay, wait. I'm going in. I'm not going in. Okay, let's go.
We're going to get your sniper out. It's the best gun in the game. Even though you're not sniping in the sniper tower, you're sniping. I'm gonna get my razzle gun out.
Who is killing me?
I don't know.
Okay, guys. Battery out.
You literally just killed me, Silas. I'm gonna get my AK-47 out. Silas, go to the sniper tower. War zone over there.
No. They got the sniper tower. Thank you.
Okay, I'm still gonna claim it for ourselves. What the heck? Silas, let's go.
Drop in. Okay, let's go. I'm getting number 6 out. Gonna drop down.
Silas, I'm literally running for my life. Silas, hide. Hide. Go to the top, Silas, or else she's gonna get us.
Watch out.
I got him, Silas.
There. I need help.
You do? What? Are you in the sniper tower?
No, but I just killed somebody. I don't need help anymore.
Oh, Silas, I see you.
Ow! That hurt. Okay, guys. Let's keep going. We can't give up. Okay, we gotta drop in.
Who has an AK-47? I'm gonna get my AK-47 out when
Now we
I
gotta skydive.
AK-47.
Okay.
I'm shooting people in the thin air. Boom. Think you can beat me, you can't.
I'm getting in a sniper tower.
Oh, you got somebody?
Yeah, and they claimed a sniper tower. Now I have it.
Yeah, you claimed his sniper tower. Okay, we're going in the safe zone. Wait. I thought there was someone coming in already. Wait, what? Let's get her!
Come on, we gotta go in there. Come on, get your 6 out. Come on, get your parachute.
Get my 6 out?
Get your parachute.
I'm gonna snipe her. Like, literally. I literally just sniped her, Silas.
Good.
Did you skip? Silas, I'm right here. I sniped her. I sniped her, Silas. And I'm about to snipe you if you don't stop the interview.
Remember, no betraying.
Yeah, not betraying.
He just killed himself. Okay, guys. We gotta keep going.
I literally got her, Silas. Silas, help!
I'm into war zone.
I need help. I need backup, Silas.
I'm into war
I'm
zone
in the
though.
war zone too.
I see you. Watch out!
Make sure. I'm coming to war zone.
I think somebody might be coming around the corner.
I got him, Silas.
And I got him too. We both got him. Watch
I
out.
actually can't get him.
Who did I? What? Huh?
Yeah,
Okay,
just-
we gotta keep
just
going.
shot-
We gotta keep going, Gabe. Come on. Go back to the war zone.
just shot-
Let's protect our little area, okay?
Okay, I'm following you. I got him, Silas.
Watch out.
I got her, Silas.
Good. Can you be the sniper boy?
Sure, I'll be the sniper boy right here. I'm a sniper.
Clear. We're shooting a video.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I just got somebody out of thin air.
Watch out.
Silas, that was a really long shot. Silas, I'm on a streak.
Watch out.
I'm the sniper boy.
There's somebody over there. He's trying to get me.
I need to heal, Silas. You do too.
Okay, I'm coming back down. This plane is
I
gonna crash. I'm coming. Coming to the war zone. I'm coming to our area.
come to our area right now.
I'm there. Come down, come down.
I'm the sniper boy.
Get that guy over there.
Did. I got that girl now. I'm the sniper boy. It's sniper versus sniper.
Almost got him.
Oh, got him, Silas.
Did? That helps.
I think someone's coming after us, Silas. Silas, I literally got some out of thin air again.
There's somebody over there.
I got some out of thin air again.
Claire!
Silas,
I almost got her.
yes.
Okay, they're taking over a little area. Come on, we gotta go to the little area. Drop.
I'm literally at our little area.
Guys, that will do it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And even turn on post notifications. And bye.